I picked up an M Performance titanium exhaust system for my BMW M4. Now I'm gonna save you guys the BS. We're just gonna get straight into the sound clips, cold start, some slow driving clips, some revs, basically throughout the entire RPM range, and then some high-speed drive-bys, accelerations, flybys. And then stay tuned for the end of the video because all the commonly asked questions and information that you'll want to know about the exhaust system will be covered in the second half or end portion of the video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed those sound clips. It definitely took me a little bit of time to film them and gather all the footage together nicely, but I am extremely happy with my new exhaust system. Now you guys are probably going to be asking, why did you sell the Dynon setup and why did you switch over to the M Performance? Well, I really like the Dynon system, guys, but my number one thing about it that I guess I just wasn't entirely satisfied with was the fact that I thought it was a little bit too quiet for my liking. The MPE specifically has a very sweet tone to it, very smooth sounding, and it is a little bit louder actually than my Dynon setup. And in addition to that, it's also made from titanium. Well, the muffler is at least. And the mid-pipe is stainless steel. I actually think the setup or the system was actually designed by Akropovich. but I'm not 100% sure about that. I know they've worked with BMW and their M Performance parts in the past, so I would think it's a safe assumption to say that Acura had a role in the development of this system. It's also significantly lighter than the OEM exhaust and the Dynon. The Dynon setup, I think, weighed maybe 5 or 6 pounds less than the OEM system, which really wasn't anything, whereas this weighs like 38 to 42 pounds lighter, something like that. It's extremely light. The muffler is incredibly lightweight. Actually, I don't know if you guys noticed, but during the cold start and some of the revs, you can see the tips kind of swaying and shaking side to side. That's because there are no exhaust hangers that actually connect to the muffler because it's so lightweight. Now, some of you guys might be asking, well, doesn't the M Performance exhaust have a known cracking issue? And yes, that's true. So the system that I have is actually a V1. The V2 technically solved that issue by adding reinforcement brackets. BMW changed the design slightly, and V2s don't have the cracking issue, but V1s tend to have it. However, there were multiple revisions within the V1 category of M Performance exhaust. So according to the former owner of this system that I picked it up from, I was told that this part number is ending in 03, meaning third revision of the V1 MPE, and it's significantly less likely to crack, I guess, according to my understanding, whereas the 01 and 02 part numbers are the ones that are heavily prone to cracking. So we will see how this exhaust holds up over time. If it does crack, I will make a video on that and let you guys know what I end up doing to fix it. But overall, guys, I'm extremely happy. This was like the dream setup for my car. As of now, secondary cats and the downpipes are still on there. It's just the MPE midpipe with the titanium muffler, and got those really, really nice looking carbon fiber tips. I just think it really adds that OEM plus look of the car. So very, very stoked with the sound overall. This is not the end-all, be-all result of my exhaust system. I still want to do some more work to it, particularly with some downpipes. I want to add a little bit of burble to it, and I think from there it's going to sound incredible. So if you guys have any questions or want to know any more information about this setup or just anything else related to the exhaust, feel free to drop those questions in the comment section down below. Let me know your feedback. Please make sure to smash that thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. And I appreciate your viewership as always. With all that being said, I will catch you on the next one. Take it easy, everybody. Bye-bye.